What is up, YouTube? It is Dark Beauty 925 coming to you live, and today, in honor of me reaching 100 subscribers, I wanted to make a video that can help any person that wants to start a YouTube channel or is a small YouTuber right now, a new YouTuber right now. Just the apps that I use to just do everything that involves YouTube, and I just really wanted to make a helpful advice video just in honor of me reaching 100 subscribers, just in the hopes that you too will eventually reach 100 subscribers if you haven't already. One of the apps that I use is my editing software, which is called Movavi. So I have a Windows computer, so I wasn't using like iMovie or nothing like that because I didn't have a Mac computer. So I have a Windows computer and I use the editing app Movavi, and I'll put the name right here. And I just think that it's a really good app, especially because I was particularly looking for an editing app that flipped the camera. So if you notice in my videos, most of my products, like the name is flipped, or like my necklace might be flipped, or you might notice like the words is flipped, because it's weird, but I like the shape of my face when it's flipped. It's so weird. I really hope y'all understand. Y'all probably do not. Let me move my camera. But I just really like how my face looks flipped, or like it's not really flipped though, but it's not mirrored. I don't like a mirrored image. I don't know. But so yes, that's one of the apps that actually does flip your whole video, so that's why I had that app. So, and that really helps so much. But any editing software will really help. But Movavi is actually easy to edit, like easy to cut clips, easy to add music to, all of that. So that is most definitely a recommended app. The second app that I have used, which I'm kind of mad at them because I canceled my subscription and they made me pay for the next month anyway. But I guess, I don't know, and they didn't even email me back when I told them about it. But it's Movely. And of course I'll put the name right here. So basically that is the app that I use to make my intro, where it says like Dark Beauty, blah 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 blah, Brains, Beauty, Charisma, and it got the little song in the background. So that's what I use to make my intro. And the only reason I even really bought it is because you couldn't download it unless you bought it anyway. And then second, I didn't want the watermark on there. So that's the reason I bought it. And it's only $5 for a month subscription, or you get it, I think it's $5 for a month subscription, but I only needed it one time, which is why I made my intro so basic, so I didn't have to change it. So it basically cost me $5 to make that intro. The third app that I use is the YouTube Studio app. So one of the reasons that I personally use that app is because on the mobile version, you can't really see what people comments without actually clicking your video. And sometimes I don't want to click my video because I want to see my real views, not like the views counting when I watch my own video. And when you click your own video, it's like automatically a view, and I just don't want that one view to count as like my YouTube analytics or nothing like that. So that's the reason that I got the YouTube Studio app, so that I can reply to you all's comments and see you all's comments, look at my subscriber count, my demographics of my page, and all of that without actually having to click on the video to see that. If you're on your phone, now on your computer, you are able to do the same thing you can do on the YouTube Studio app, but on your phone you aren't. So that's one reason why I think that app is very useful for that reason. And the last app that I have for you guys is what I use to do my thumbnail, and I think it's just Thumbnail Maker. I'll double check that, right? So I'm not sure if they have it on Google Play and the App Store, but I know for sure they have it on the App Store, and it's just called Thumbnail Maker, and that's what I use to make my thumbnails. And it just has like a whole bunch of themes. So basically I'm just going to show you how to use the app. So this is the app right here, the Thumbnail Maker. So you're just going to click it, open it, it's going to show you all these various backgrounds, and all of these are unlocked, but once you click inside of them, so I'm going to just click the brick one, which is my personal favorite. So you have brick ones that you can pick, and you have a lot of choices under each of them, but of course some are unlocked because I don't have like the updated version. I just bought the free version. So you pick different ones. I'll click this brick, and then you put either banner or you click thumbnail, but I just want to do thumbnail, so I'm just going to click that one, and then you click done. And then after that, yeah, sometimes they give you an ad. So after you do that, you can click through various ones. Of course, some of them are locked, but you can change it to like a different brick color. You can do black and white, just regular. So I'm gonna just do like a black and white. And then right here is where you add the picture. So the last button, you'll just add a picture. And sometimes it either shows an ad before it goes to your camera roll or it goes straight to your camera roll. So then I'm gonna just click this one. I'm gonna just click that. I'm dead if y'all see my pictures. And okay, it's taking a minute to come on there. So basically you can just slide it, adjust the picture how you want to. Like you can expand it. And then if you want to put words on it, you press the A. And then you type something in. So I'm gonna put YouTube video. So I just typed that in, and then right here is where you can change the color. And then right here is where you can change the font. But not all fonts are like available. So even though it looks like it, once I click this, it tells me like I have to, oh snap. It usually, oh yep, it does say it. So then it tells you something where you gotta buy it. So I usually just choose from like the first 4 ones. I think this one is my personal favorite. And then I just click the check mark. And then it's on there. Of course it's gonna be flipped. And then this is just a crazy edit, but after that you click share and it will automatically save to your library. But what I do most of the time is just click my email and then I email it to myself. And then after I'm done editing it, that is when I upload the thumbnail, and there you go. So those are the 4 apps. I really hope that this video was helpful, especially for people that might be just starting this channel or just didn't know about those apps and they could help you. Thank you so much for 100 subscribers. I'm just so thankful. So yeah, let's keep this going. Click the bell if you want to see notification for every time I post. Please like right now. Please comment right now. Please subscribe right now if you haven't already. And we are out of here. It is Dark Beauty 925 signing out of this live. Bye.